Hello, I'm Emily Bache and I'm a technical agile coach with ProAgile. I'm an author with Pluralsight and I published a book about coding dojos a few years ago. So I'm here to tell you about my new course in approval testing, which I'm very excited to be presenting soon. So I don't know if you've heard of me or my work before, but perhaps you've heard of the Gilded Rose refactoring kata. It's a cute little exercise where you have to start with some really horrible code and add some tests and refactor it, and it ends up looking really nice. And I maintain the source code for this on my GitHub page. So one of the techniques that I find really effective for this exercise and others is approval testing. And it's not just useful in exercises, of course, it's useful anytime you have existing code that lacks tests that you need to change. It can really help you to get started and get moving and get some tests in place. And of course you can use it for new development as well, and I think approval testing works really well if you're doing behaviour-driven development or specification by example. It can help you to have better conversations with stakeholders. So I've been using an approval testing approach in lots of different organisations for about 15 years or something, and I'm always surprised more people aren't doing this. So now I've got this workshop that I've designed with a load of exercises that I've put together, and I hope it's going to be fantastic. I mean, I'm kind of known for coding dojos, and you can expect from this lots of hands-on coding, lots of collaboration, lots of learning for yourself how things work. And I hope that if you come to my workshop, you will learn what approval testing is, when it might be appropriate to use it, and when you find yourself in the right situation for it, that you'll know how to get stuck in and get started. So I hope you'll be joining me.